by leaders and house leaders. You stand in the front.
Line.
Line up according to your house. You can move a bit backward. Lines.
Go back. Greenhouse, go little back.
Okay, guys. Yeah, go back. Green house, red house, yellow house, and blue house. Blue house, boys, you make it 2 lines, boys.
Make your line straight.
Make 2 lines, blue house.
Red house, go that side, no? You remain here. You line, no, it's not straight. Go. Go. Make it straight now. Hold your hand like this.
The leaders, you can stand the front.
Okay, green house, you follow the red house.
Hand like this. So that you line straight.
Leaders, stand at the front.
House leaders and assistant house leaders stand in the front.
Come on,
Yellow house, they also should make 3 lines, sir, no? Red house,
Yeah.
come and make.
The green house, your line is not straight at all.
You make one another line, boys.
Boys, come.
Make one more line.
Oh, miss.
Nisulin, apa just yang macam?
Yeah, Nisuli, that's fine.
Gina.
Okay. If everyone's ready, a very good morning to all of you. Okay, before starting our items, we have a short speech with a opening ceremony dance from the students. After that, the opening sports inaugurations will be by Saraswati sir. After that, we will have a short devotions from Saraswati. Then lastly, I will speak out or tell some rules and regulations during these annual sports, which you have to follow very carefully. Okay. Now, I would like to request Sudip sir, the coordinator of MBRS, to give you a welcome speech.
Good morning, all the students. I hope everything is going well with you this morning. I am very happy and delighted to have this great opportunity to be with you and to be able to with you this morning, because we are having one of the great events that is annually held in each and every year in Mahabodhi Residential School. So on this very special event, first of all, I would like to pay my deep homage to our enlightened Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Sangha. And after that, I would like to share my respect and love and affection with all my colleagues, the teaching and non-teaching staffs of Mahabodhi Residential